How to add promo code to Walmart order. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily add promo code to Walmart order. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through simply here quickly with this video. What you want to do is you want to open up your Walmart application, and first you want to add the item that you want to buy to your cart. Now you must know that step pretty, right? So it's quite easy. You want to simply open up a product and you want to add into your cart. Once you add into your cart, you should get the icon, cart icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can see the cart icon. You want to simply tap on it, and what you want to do is you want to select the item that you want to checkout, and you want to tap on continue to checkout. Now once you tap on continue to checkout, here you can see various options right here on the screen. What you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down below here, and you can see have a promo code question popping up there. You want to simply tap on it, and here if you want to enter in your promo code here, and once you enter in your promo code, you want to simply tap on apply and it should be applied. So this way you can easily add promo code to your Walmart order. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.